How to get Spotify Premium for free. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get Spotify Premium for free. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you're a music lover, you must have heard of Spotify, but you might have been, have your setbacks and you might not want to use it due to it being paid. So if that's the case, this video is for you and this is how you get Spotify for free. So first you will need to open up your Spotify and create an account. After you do that, you will need to head over to your Spotify's packages. Now on the packages, you will see all of the plans. Now you can view all of the plans available. If you're a student, there is a pack for students as well. You can see Spotify's premium plans. Now, when Spotify has any premium plans, you can see that you will get the first month for $0. So first you will need to create an account, then you'll need to get started and you'll just have to log in using your account. After you do that, you will just need to add your payment method, and after you do that, you will get the first month of premium for free. And that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.